Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kritika and I do post makeup and fashion related videos on my channel. And if you are seeing this face for the first time, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. In today's video, I have created this brown smoky eye makeup look. So without any further ado, let's quickly jump into the video. I'm going to start by applying moisturizer, and the moisturizer which I am using is from Himalaya. It's very important to apply moisturizer before your makeup because it keeps your skin hydrated and it gives a smooth base for your further makeup. After applying moisturizer, I'm going to fill in my brows and I'm using an angle brush and a grey eyeshadow for this. And I'm brushing my eyebrow hair upwards with the help of a spoolie. Now I'm going to take this shade from Kiss Beauty concealing palette and I'm going to be applying it all over my eyelid. And I'll be blending it with the help of a dry sponge. And I'm taking this white powdery shade from the eyeshadow palette and I'll be applying it all over my eyelid to set my concealer. Now I'm dipping into this shade from the eyeshadow palette and I'm applying it onto my eyelid, majorly focusing onto my crease line. Now taking this darker shade, I'm going to be applying it all over my eyelid. I'm dipping into this dark grey shade and I'm applying it majorly onto my inner corners and outer V, and then I'll be smudging it towards the inner side of the eyelid. First I tried to do it by a small definer brush but I was not satisfied, so I'm using a pencil brush to do it. Now I'm dipping into this shade of the concealing palette and I'm applying it on the center of my eyelid, and I'll be blending my concealer with the help of my fingers. I'm picking up these two shimmery shades from the eyeshadow palette and I'll be applying it on the top of the concealer with the help of my fingers, and then I'll be using a flat shader brush also to apply it. Now I'm picking up this dark grey shade with the help of a fluffy blending brush and I'll be applying it onto my inner corners and outer V, and then I'll be joining them above my crease line. Now I'm using a pencil brush to define my crease line and also to give more depth to my eyes. I'm applying some gold eyeshadow on the center of my eyelid. Now I'm applying foundation with the help of a foundation brush all over my face, and the foundation which I'm using is from Maybelline Fit Me. Now I'm picking up this shade from the Kiss Beauty concealing palette and I'm applying concealer under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, on my chin, and on the center of my forehead. And I'm blending it with the help of the same brush which I use for foundation. Now I'm setting my whole face with the help of a compact powder, and the compact powder which I'm using is from Maybelline Fit Me. Now I'm applying some brown eyeshadow closer towards my lower lash line with the help of a pencil brush, and after that I'll be lining my upper lash line and I'll be drawing a thin liner without any wing. And onto my waterline I am applying kajal, and this kajal is from Himalaya. And I'll be smudging my kajal with the help of a small definer brush. To finish my eye look, I'll be using a mascara, and this mascara is from Kiss Beauty. Now it's time to contour your face, and here I'm showing you how to contour. Your contour should be directing from the sides of your cheekbone towards your lips. As you can see, I'm doing the same on the other side of my face as well. And now I'm contouring my jawline to get that sharp jaw. and I'm contouring my nose to make it look more slimmer. I'm applying blush, and this blush palette is from Hilary Rhoda, and I'm applying the blush on the apples of my cheek. And I love to apply my blush onto my chin and on my nose as well. After the blush is done, I'm going to apply highlighter, and this highlighter is from Ronzal Cosmetics. I'm applying my highlighter on the highest points of my face, like top of the cheekbones, my chin, my cupid's bow, my bridge of the nose, center of my forehead, and I'm also applying the highlighter on my brow bone and inner corners as well. I'm using this lipstick to complete my look. And now my makeup is done. And this is my final finished look, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and liked the look. And if you do like the look, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. And if you do recreate any of my look, then please don't forget to tag me there. I'll see you guys with a brand new video. Till then, bye. Take care.